Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to design a restaurant logo like this and also creating a mock-up like this using your phone without wasting much of your time. Let's get into it. Open your Pixel app, click on the three dots there, click on image size, click on the arrow, then click on YouTube thumbnail, then OK. To bring in the first object or element, click on the shape tool in the middle, then click on import. To make sure it is centralized, bring it down to the middle, then you scroll, then click on relative position, then click on the middle, that's it, to mark it. Then to remove the white background, you scroll to erase color, you see erase color, click on erase color enabled, then tolerance adjust it to 70, then mark it. To give it color, you scroll, then when you scroll, you click on color, then click on enable, then choose any color you like. But for this video, this is the color I'll be choosing. I'll be choosing this color. Then I'll make it big, then click on relative size, then increase it, and also make sure it is centralized. Now we are done with the first image or object. The next thing to do now is to lock it. To do that, you have to click on the layer tool at the right corner there, then click on lock icon there. That's what we've just done now. Then click on the A icon to type the name, that's it, LABE. Then increase the size too as well. Also give it color, click on the color icon there. So I'll be using I'm using brown. Then for the font, I'll be using Blogger Sans Bold. That's the font I'll be using. The next step is also to type in or bring in the text X, that's apostrophe X, that is Labes Kitchen. That's what we are going to type. So remain the apostrophe X, then give it size too as well. You can reduce the size or increase it. I'll give it 50. Then give it color as well too, the same color. Then font Blogger Sans Bold too as well. Then make sure you bring it down, yes, using position. Then the size can increase it a little bit to 80. So to check now if it is centralized, click on the ruler icon there, then click on that icon there, the ruler icon, then use it to check if it is arranged, if everything is on the line, so you can adjust the letters. So that's what the function of the ruler. That's why it's very important to always use ruler to check whether your work or whether your graphics or your designs is aligned. So let's continue. Then the next thing to do now is also to make sure or to give it spacing. I'm giving it spacing. Now let us merge all of the letters together, LEB apostrophe S, then click on the layer icon, then click on the icon there. After that, to click on the toolbox, the things you want to merge together, then you mark it. After that, you click on the same icon again. Do you want to merge? Okay, now it has become one. As you can see, we've merged it together, it has become one. Mind you, whenever you are merging an object together or letters, it reduces the quality. So you can know that it can also reduce the quality. But anyways, you can also use it as well. Now we're almost there. Now before we continue, we have to lock it. We click on the layer icon, then click on the lock icon there. We've locked it. So the next thing to do now is to type in the word kitchen. After that, you give it size. I'll be using size I think 50 will be good. Then give it color as well. After giving it color, let us give it a good font. Let's give it a good font. Blogger sans bold as well. Then make sure it's centralized. Now to type the tagline, click on the A icon, then click on the plus icon. After done, then click on the pencil icon, then click on text, then erase the new text, then type your tagline. Reduce the text, click on size. So reduce the text to size 21 or 20, anyone you want. Now after I've typed a text and you want to edit it again, you click on the layer icon, then click on the icon at the top there, then click on pencil. Yes, that's it, to edit a text again. Now you give it color and make sure it is centralized. Centralized first. Now the next thing to do now is give it color. We're using the one for the name as Labes Kitchen. Then give it font as well. Yes, I'm using the normal font at the top there. After you choose your font, then click on style. After clicking on style, you click on bold and click on italic too as well. Wow, that's good. We're almost done. Now let us bring in the last object. Before you do that, you lock it. Then not just bring in the last object. You click on the shape tool, then click on shapes, then click on the arrow down behind it, then click on circle, then give it color. Let's scroll. You can give it color there or scroll down to color, then give it color enabled. After that, let us design the shape, then click on mask. Now pay close attention to what I'm about to do or what I'm doing now. Click on enabled, then scroll down, then let us copy the mask mode. Click on the icon behind the letter there, see it has changed to. I've copied it. Then bizarre mode, click on the movable icon. That's it. It makes your work movable. You can move it. Then after that, click on out. Click on out. That is the max mode, out. Then you scroll down actions, click on rotate. That is the third icon towards the right. So you can rotate so that to bring on the shape of kind of a vapor. That's shape of a vapor. So if you don't really understand this, I have a video. Towards the end of the video, I will show you a video on how to use a bizarre mode or max 2. So let's continue. Try to design it very well. So I have a video on how to use a bizarre tool. Let's continue. Let us make it more than one. Click on the layer tool there. So I will show you how to copy. If you want to copy an object, click on that object, then click on copy. That is the copy icon there. Click on it. You see it has been copied. Then you can do that as many times as you want. So what I'm doing now is to try and make sure the vapor effect is there to make it look like there's something in the plate covered. So make it look like something is there. So that's how to create a good logo. so communicating the effect of there's something there. So that is that vapor effect. Wow, that's good. That's how to create a local restaurant logo called Labes Kitchen. As you can see, now let us give it a background color. Click on shapes 2. After clicking on shape 2, click on shapes, then make it big, adjust it, then click on color. Which color should I use? Yellow. Okay, let me just use any color for now. Click on layers, then drag it down to be at the back. So if you want to drag it down, you hold on the 3 dots, the dots there, then drag it down. It's at the back, as you can see. So click on yellow. So I'm using yellow. Wow, color yellow is good. So as you can see, this can be the background color. Labes Kitchen, lovely. I can also use white. So any color you like, but I'll be using yellow. So that's it. So this is a logo called a brand logo, Labes Kitchen, a local restaurant. So let us give it transparent, then click on the background logo there. That is it. When you click on background design, that's to design the background, then click on transparent. Yes, and click on transparent, then you make it invisible. Click on the eye logo, that is invisible. As you can see, it's on transparent. Then you click on that icon, then save as project, then give it a name, any name you like. I'll be using Labes Kitchen. After I save it as a project, then save it as image. Click on custom there, then click on ultra, then save. If you are still watching this video, I have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen there, then click on it again, click on all for you to get all notifications. Let's continue. Now you go to your phone, or for the mockup, type photopea. I've typed it already, then click on it. It's loading. Now we are in photopea already. Now you can see new project, open from computer. You click on templates. When you click on templates, it's loading. So we have a lot of mockup templates. As you can see, you choose one. I'll be choosing 3D glass window logo mockup. When I click on it again, as you can see, click on it on the logo there. Wow, now we're in the environment. As you can see, file edit, layer, select, viewer, then you click on the layer 2 there. Let me show you the layer 2. That's the layer 2 there. Click on the layer 2. Now click on the box icon at the front of the logo there, your logo. Click on it twice. When you click on it twice, yeah, that box icon, your logo, yeah, the box there, you click on it twice, it loads. When it's load, yeah, then you click on the eye icon behind the T. You click on the eye icon there. Let me show you that. Yeah, that eye icon, click on the eye icon. Wow, now it's off, that is invisible. Now click on file. When you click on the layer, click on file, then you click on open and place. You see open and place. Click on open and place. Then you choose the image we just saved from our Pixel app. Kind of looking for it. That's it there. Then click, that's it. Click on the image we just saved. Wait for it loading. As you can see, wow, it's there now. So let us make it big a little bit. Let us make it big so we can see it, so it can be visible. After that, click on file again, click on save smart projects. You see smart objects updated. Then to see what we've just done, you click on the 3 glass logo. That's it. Wow, we've clicked on it. If you don't know what I just did, I clicked on this first one there. That's it. This is it, Labes Kitchen. So we did a 3D logo mockup. Very easy and simple, straightforward. Then to save it, you click on export as. We have JPG, a lot of things, but I'll be PNG. I'll be choosing JPG. So you have PDF, SVG, GIF. So I'll be choosing JPG. Then and click on it. Click on quality, adjust it to 100. Then click on save. You click on save. When you click on save, you see file downloaded. Click on open. As you can see, this is it. So this is what we did. Labels kitchen. That's how to create a brand logo. If you like this video, kindly give a comment on what you think about this logo tutorial and hit the like button, then share this tutorial across your socials. Thanks for watching this YouTube video tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.